Hello kids, today let's learn a few things about peacock. Here we bring to you essay on peacock. So kids, let's start. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has a long neck. It has blue feathers. It has the crown on its head. Peacock eats fruits, grains, seeds, snacks and worms. Peacock dances in the rain. Peacock lives in the garden and forest. Peacock eyes are small. Peacock likes clouds very much. Peacock female is called peahen. The peacock is a symbol of beauty, pride and grace. Peacocks cannot fly much high. Peacock is a very beautiful and colorful bird. Peacocks are well known for their love of the monsoon season. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.